Ever imagine your soda can fueling your car? Sounds like sci-fi, right? But hold on tight, because science just made it real. MIT engineers have cracked a wild new way to produce hydrogen fuel using, get this, aluminum, salt water, and coffee grounds. Yep, your everyday materials could soon be powering our future. So, here's the scoop. These brainiacs at MIT figured out that by reacting specially treated aluminum pellets with seawater, they can produce hydrogen gas. This hydrogen can then power engines or fuel cells. And the secret sauce? A rare metal alloy that preps the aluminum and a sprinkle of caffeine to speed things up. Now, why is this a big deal? Well, current hydrogen production methods are often pricey and not exactly eco-friendly. This new method, it's sustainable and uses stuff that's readily available. Imagine your boat or underwater vehicle generating its own fuel on the fly. No more bulky hydrogen tanks, just carry some aluminum pellets, a bit of alloy, and caffeine. Energy on demand. But there's a twist. Aluminum loves to form a pesky oxide layer when it meets air, blocking further reactions with water. MIT's magic trick? Pre-treating aluminum with a gallium-indium alloy, which strips away that oxide layer. Initially, they used fresh water and saw great results. But relying on fresh water is neither cheap nor scalable. Enter seawater. It's cheap and abundant, but there's a catch. The ions in seawater slow down the reaction. So, the team went back to the lab to tinker, and guess what they found? Coffee grounds. Yep, adding coffee grounds to seawater speeds up hydrogen production. The caffeine in coffee, specifically an ingredient called imidazole, disrupts the seawater ions, letting aluminum do its thing. This discovery is a game changer. The researchers are now working on a small-scale reactor to test this tech in marine settings. Imagine submarines, underwater robots, or even big transport trucks running on this innovative hydrogen fuel. So, next time you sip your morning brew or pop open a soda can, remember, you're not just enjoying a beverage. You're glimpsing a future where simple, everyday items could be the key to sustainable energy. Exciting times ahead, folks. If you enjoyed this peek into the future, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, stay curious.